Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة.
Viewers, today is 9 Zulhijjah when we left Mina for Arafat after sunrise, and we are present here in Arafat. The Holy Prophet ﷺ took some rest before entering into Arafat in valley of Nimra, where Nimra Mosque is present. After sunset, he delivered his sermon of the Hajj here. So, in the surroundings of Arafat, wherever you find place, stay there. This is known as Wuquf Arafah and is the most important ritual of pilgrimage. Here, you will offer short prayer, that is qasr, of Zuhr and Asr. That means 2 rakat for each without sunnah and nawafil. Now, you enter in the Arafat ground and stay there. Pray to Allah for yourself, your family, your relatives, your friends and beloved ones. Also pray for the people in trouble who wander everywhere to get the solution of their problems. Pray for your homeland. Seek the help from Allah for those who are in need. From this hadith, it seems that you must stay in Nimra Mosque. But viewers, you may stay anywhere near if you don't find enough room in the mosque. Be careful. You should not leave the premises of Arafat. For the ease of the pilgrims, lots of signboards have been installed by Saudi government to identify the limits and boundaries of Arafat and perform lots of prayers and supplication to Allah.